He calls Sri Radhika and the Yateshwaris and makes them sit down in the courtyard. So Radharani goes to her bedroom to relax a little bit after serving out, and not really to relax, but to look at Krishna, to peek at Krishna. Oh, and so because Radharani says, "Oh, Yashamati, I just did all this cooking and serving. I'm going to rest for a few minutes, and then I'll take. Okay, you rest." So some mandris are there fanning Radharani, and Radharani closes the door. Says, "Stand here." And Radharani goes over to the window. Oh, look at Krishna. As you go to the temple and you see Krishna and Shyamsundar, oh, it looks so beautiful. So imagine the beauty of Krishna in the eyes of. Imagine the beauty of Krishna in the eyes of Radharani. And the praying dristi of Radharani. What beauty we see a beautiful Murti or a beautiful Krishna, we think, oh, looking so beautiful, so dashing, so attractive, Krishna. Radharaman, very beautiful. So imagine the beauty of Radharaman in the eyes of Radharani. Something to think about. That beauty that Radharani sees when she's seeing the beauty of Krishna, that beauty that's registering in her heart and mind is registering in the mind and heart of her Sakhi Manjaris, because they're Bhav Taratmya with Radharani. These are the meditations of the Manjari Upasaka, the Sadhaka and the Ragmarg. He follows all these. Where is Radharani? Is where is me? Where is Radharani's heart? Where is Radharani's eyes? Where is Radharani's heart, her mind, everything? They're one. Manjaris. This is the goal of the Gopi Bhav. This is Gaudiya Siddhanta, Gaudiya Sampradaya. She says, "Please you come." So she sits down. Radha and the Sakhis sit in one line. Chandravali, Shyamala and others sit in another line. Says Radharani and her Sakhis sit in one line. Chandravali and Shyamala is a friendly Sakhi, but she sits in the other line. And Yashamati Mata, Kirtida Mata, and all the elderly gopis sit in yet another line. While Mother Rohini, Tungi Mata, and Kundalata are serving. After blissfully eating and washing their mouths, all the ladies go to their individual bedrooms and take rest, being served by their dasis, Rani dasis, who fan them and serve them betel nuts. After this, the manjaris and maidservants of Radharani, they also take prasad. Haribo. Last but not least. And after this, the local maidservants, that means the palace dasis, the, what do you say? The Raj Bhavan dasis, Raj Bhavan dasis. And the manjaris, in other words, all the slaves eat last. So they eat, after eating the ambrosial food remnants of all the gopis, the sadhaka dasi, that's us, cleans the eating place and plates, then goes to Sri Radha to massage her lotus feet and render similar services. Jai Ho. Later on, Radharani gets up from bed and she goes out at night, leaves Nandagram to go to Yogapit to meet Krishna. And then she returns to Nandishwarpur again. So this is really super happy time for Radharani. She's staying in the palace. Krishna, and they're going out together to spend the night together. No like, will I meet or will I not meet? These are the most amazing Sangbhog Milan, 3 days, 4 days together. So after she prepares some sweets, and she returns to Nandishwarpur again. After taking rest, she makes some sweets, and she's dressed. And the next morning she goes to Ravisar on the pretext of offering Surya Puja. And then she plays her pastimes of Krsna Radharani and returns to Nandishwar on the afternoon of Saptami. Other pastimes of the day are, as usual, Nityavat. So now that's Saptami. Bliss, huh? What's going on? So now it's Nandishwar, it's Janmastami, Krishna Jayanti ki. So Nandishwar, now everyone's really excited. It's like a crescendo. A crescendo of bliss now. Nandishwar, it's Ashtami Day. Radha is bathed. Is bathed. It doesn't say she bathes. Is bathed. When you in the morning, are you bathed? Someone bathes you? Like you bathe, like your mother bathes the children? No, no one bathe. I'm an adult. We bathe ourselves. But Radharani is bathed, dressed and ornamented by her mantris as usual. Then Kundalata comes and says, "Oh Radhe, come and behold Krishna's Abhishek." We do Abhishek. You ever do Abhishek on Janmashtami? Krishna Shamrai is waiting in the Noida for the Abhishek. All the whole house, all the house servant, Mandir servants, Sevites ran away. Vasu Sevite, Vasuji Sevite, and Vrinda Sevite. They ran off to Vrindavan. Krishna said, "Hey, I'm in here. Wherever Krishna is Vrindavan." No, we're coming right back. Yeah, I don't know. You better come back. Maybe you get there, the door's locked. So now you go, Agyatwas. So they're all going for Krishna's Abhishek. Hearing this, Radharani takes her Sakhis and Mantris along and comes to the Abhishek Mandap. The young and old villagers, men and women, all others come and arrive at the Abhishek Mandap, at the Snan Patra, whatever they call it. Krishna is bathed as usual, after which his servants dress him with a white garment and place a pearl hanging from his nose and a golden necklace around his neck and armlets on his arm, bangles on his wrist, small bells of waist bells around his waist, and golden ankle bells on his feet. Then now Krishna's wearing all this to take a bath. He's not going to a wedding in Greater Kailash. He didn't go to the bank and take all his jewelry and gold out of the safe. This is how he goes to take a bath. Gold waist bells, gold ankle bells, a gold necklace, and a thin diaphanous, a thin white bathing cloth. And per the standard, it's about to rain, because usually on Janmashtami it rains. It's nice. It's raining because there's two types of tears, hot tears and cold tears. Cold tears come when it's prem. Hot tears come when it's anger. So when it's raining on Janmashtami, that means that Radharani is raining tears of her love. When it rains on Janmashtami, it's cool rain. Tanda Barish. When it rains on Janmashtami, it means that Radharani is bathing Krishna with her tears of love.